So I finally got my sound bar. It sounds really good. Bad thing is that I can't record anything without it getting hit with some kind of violation for playing somebody's music and not having the rights to it. So, but the sound is awesome. And once you connect it to your TV, the sound out automatically connects to your volume to your TV, so they both work together. So they're not total separate. So your TV doesn't have its own volume, and then your sound out has a volume, so they don't collide. But I've waited forever to get this because the first one I got was messed up, wouldn't hook up. So I got them to replace it, and it took almost a year, and I finally got it, and I love it.